proposed brick. The family room. The bathroom. The kitchen. The extra kitchen space. I'll explain that later. So welcome to my New York City apartment tour that was very highly requested by one person, but requested nevertheless. To spice it up a bit, I'm going to make it a New York City apartment tour, but also some New York City apartment living tips and tricks, some of which you might find not useful at all. But let's start. Come on in. I don't have a cameraman, so we're just gonna have to one-woman show here. So first off, the dining room. So we have some chairs and a table, and then we have our nice little festive candle and our festive leaf, some dead flowers, but we're gonna keep them there because I think they look nice. All right, now we have the family room, as I like to call it. We have a couch. Yeah, this is the family room. I really want to show you guys this view. I mean, this view just screams New York, so just ready? 1, 2, 3. I know, right? Don't mind the dead plant. I actually have a few pet pigeons that live outside. I wonder if they're here right now. Frank? George? Go, 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 go. Got the film. Part of the family room is the Harry Potter puzzle we have going on right now. Really awesome. It's taken up most of our time. I don't really go to work anymore. I just sit here and do the puzzle. Yeah. All right, here we have our auxiliary, our extra kitchen space. So we just have this guy that I constructed, and that doesn't really shut because, well, I constructed it. But it just lets us hold our extra kitchen things. Could you get my head in the frame, please? Just kidding, it's just me here. Okay. All right, and here we have our chair. You can sit on it. And then we have our extra cabinet space for fun things. And we have our TV, which, you know, you can save space if you just go like that. That was an Office reference, in case you wanted to know. All right, now we have the kitchen. Your normal kitchen stuff, a stove, a fridge. We're out of paper towels, a microwave. This is my favorite pan. Our fridge. Here's where one of my New York tips is gonna come in real handy. So let me just show you. Let me just move this. So space is limited, and honestly, you can't really even reach the cabinets. That's out of shot, isn't it? Hi. So you can't reach up there, but you don't want to lose the valuable storage space. You got two options. A stool, so you could just get up there and grab whatever it is you needed. Or tongs, let me show you. And you can just grab But seriously, this stool's awesome. I like bringing it with me everywhere. Subway, bus, work. Okay, now we have the bathroom. Okay. So it's not really exciting, but I'll show you anyway. Okay, here in the bathroom we have our shower, a cleaning bucket, a sink, a toilet. Oh hey, here's my exposed brick wall. It does cost an extra $400 a month to have exposed brick in your apartment. You could just like forego groceries or something. Who needs groceries when you have exposed brick? Am I right? Also, more unsolicited fun facts. Right here, that's where I saw my first cockroach in New York City. It was actually the first day of living here. It was at night, I just moved in. I didn't have a bed or a shower curtain. Oh, and we have this closet, which I know you guys are begging to know what's in it. So, just got a lot of coats. Closet stuff. Okay, so this is the little hallway. I got a mirror. Hey, what's up? Got my keys. I wanted to take a moment to appreciate these really motivational posters we have in the hallway. It says, fly like an eagle, look like a falcon. And I'm gonna let you decide for yourself what that means to you, mostly because I have no idea what it means. Yeah, still no idea. And then past the motivational posters, we just have our hallway, another little storage bin, one of my roommate's rooms. And then we have my room. It's just, so I can't open the door all the way, and I'll explain that in a second. And here's my drawing board. This is why my door doesn't open all the way. You see, like, I just get in the way. So this is my vanity section. I have a mirror, and I got some flowers. My jade roll. Oh my god. Ooh, my mirror is dirty. I tried to clean for you guys, but I guess I just don't look in the mirror enough. I didn't realize it was so dirty. Yikes. And I have my bed, and I have my little bedside table with a candle burning, more dead flowers. Here is my calendar, which I obviously use a lot. Then we got my closet. And I like keep all my shoes back here, and this is another time when tongs would be like super useful, you know? So I just take some tongs, and then you get it. In case you're curious what's under my bed, I got some frying pans that won't fit anywhere. Suitcases. I keep my socks in a shoebox because I have no other place for them. And then just some random clothes. And there's honestly a Christmas tree down there somewhere, but I can't be bothered to find it. In my window, I got a plants and some books. And then this is where I put all my motivational quotes. So my bed has to be really pulled out from the wall because of the radiator, and if the beddings like touch the radiator, it gets singed. So I actually can't really open my drawers all day, but like it kind of makes it more fun. Also, don't look in there. Close it. I hope you guys found this New York City apartment tour educational and inspiring, as that is what it was meant to be. And thank you so much to Tongs for sponsoring this video. And really just making my life in New York so much easier. Really, really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Happy fall. Those were leaves I threw. Let me try again. Happy fall. Now, how do I turn this off?